Hello guys! Recently, I've been doing these pasta-inspired illustrations of beautiful girls. So today, I'm making a pesto pasta version. Continue to watch this video to learn how I do it step by step. Step 1. Choose a reference. You can basically choose any person you want as a reference. Today, I chose Valine Montenegro. She's an actress in the Philippines and I chose her obviously because of her beautiful face. So I'm searching for a pose wherein she is facing the front but is not smiling because that is the character I want to build for my pesto version. I think this picture will do. Next, we'll search for a reference for the pesto pasta. As much as possible, I want the pesto to be clearly recognized. As you can see, there are lots of varieties of pesto pasta. So, I'll choose reference photos that contains the most common ingredients for a pesto pasta. Now that we've collected a set of photos for reference, it's time to combine all ideas into one piece on a sketch pad. As you can see, here's my sketch for the spaghetti woman and for the carbonara. And on the next page, this is where we'll put our pesto pasta. And that leads us to step 2, sketch. So first, I'm going to copy the form of the first picture right here. I'm going to copy the hair and the pose. So it doesn't have to be an exact copy. You just have to copy the form. That's why you have a reference. And we're done with the form. As you can see, I've copied the dress of this photo, but retained the pose of the first one. See? So we'll draw in the face. Ta-da! It's done. And now we're doing the spaghetti hair. So the objective is not to have a sharp end, but to make the ends blunt, like a spaghetti noodle. So this will take some time, and as you draw the hair strands, you might want to add in the ingredients. So I put a shrimp to imply that it is a shrimp pesto. And I might want to add the tomatoes and the basil leaves right here. Back to work. Once you're done with your sketch, you can now transfer it to your laptop, and then step 3, color it digitally. So first we will do the line art. As you can see, I've created a separate layer for the line art. So I'm using a hard round brush for my line art. I heard someone say don't use a hard round brush for line art because it is boring, but I don't care. That's what works for me. Step 3, color the hair. I've created separate groups for each part, so I have one group for the hair and one group for the skin. So for now, don't mind the green skin. So just color it flat, color all the parts that is supposed to be the hair. So once you're done coloring the base color, duplicate the base layer and I'll rename it shadow. Select the magic wand tool right here and then paint over the base color of the hair. So you'll notice broken lines enveloping that part. Afterwards, click this icon and then you can add in the shadows for the hair. So you just shade the parts which is supposed to be darker than the rest of the parts. So I'll duplicate this layer and create a layer named pesto. Select a color for the pesto and then put it on her hair. So always make sure to create a separate layer for each color so you won't have to repeat everything whenever you mess up. As you can see, her skin is green, which is I'm very uncomfortable with. So I'll delete this group and I'll just create a new one. Now this color seems okay to me now.